just acquired this lovely looking Mercedes E-Class diesel convertible. It's got a lot of extras on it. It's finished in gleaming black. It's got the front park distance control, rear park distance control, fully electric convertible roof, wheels are in superb condition. It's got a lovely contrasting grey leather interior. Automatic headlights, satellite navigation. It's done 78,566 miles. Got paddle shift for the gearbox, cruise control, 3-stage heated seats, aircon climate control, Bluetooth connectivity, full media pack. That up there. Again, satellite navigation, more storage areas, aux and USB. DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.